Did you know that Tsukune meatballs are very popular in Yakitori restaurants? This is how you make teriyaki sauce. You can also use sake. Or you can add ginger or garlic or whatever you like. But the base is soy sauce, thickened by sugar. Now you have one less bottle in your kitchen, all thanks to chicken meatballs, but they're really not balls. But is it important? Sometimes things don't have much meanings. Why do American people always say I love you? I've never said I love you to my wife, and I probably never will. But I do think about her, and I do care about her a lot. Let's eat this with my wife and my daughters because they like chicken. I want them to feel happy. I want them to feel lucky. Less important things I let them be.